Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and turning on mobile data. This establishes the two essentials for tethering. Once done, open your phone's tethering settings and select Bluetooth tethering so the phone advertises the service. Make sure your PC's Bluetooth is discoverable and that any power-saving modes are off, because they can prevent pairing. You do this first to create a live network interface that the PC can use immediately after pairing. After pairing, you must explicitly connect to the phone's network service. Pairing alone doesn't enable internet. On the PC, right-click the paired device and choose the network or access point connection option, because that tells Windows or your OS to use the phone as a gateway. If your OS prompts, allow the connection and assign metrics automatically, so routing prefers the Bluetooth link. Make sure a new virtual adapter appears. This represents the tethered connection and carries your traffic. Finally, verify connectivity by opening a browser and loading a site. This confirms DNS and routing work. If you see no connection, first disable Wi-Fi on the PC so it doesn't prefer another adapter, then disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth network connection to refresh the route. If that fails, restart Bluetooth adapters and toggle Bluetooth tethering on the phone. Repairing will clear stale service records. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Reinitiate the tethering service on the phone before making more complex changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.